Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shanghai LIKEE Machinery Mold.
First-person factory tour starts now. Please follow us.
Office Building 1. Office Building 2. Business Office Area. Meeting room. Reception room. Aluminum foil container making machine area. $63-ton aluminum foil container making machine. 80-ton aluminum foil container making machine. Processing area. Seven sets CNC machines. High-precision grinder. Our grinder delivers 2-micron accuracy per square meter, is currently the highest in China. 2 sets lathes. 6 sets milling machines. 12 units wire EDM. But what truly drives us forward is not just our machines. It is the trust of our clients. These photos tell the stories of collaboration, mutual growth, and shared success. We provide overseas installation support and 24/7 after-sales service. If you'd like to learn more about our aluminum foil container machines, feel free to contact us.